Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the most fun lawn games for the whole family. Watch till the end to find out about some great options that you can try. And our list begins with Giant Jenga. This layback game is perfect for a lazy afternoon on your lawn. Just like regular Jenga, this game does not involve a lot of physical activity. If you've had a hectic week, this intimate lawn game is a great way to unwind and bond with your loved ones. Giant Jenga is a strategic game that all family members can thoroughly enjoy outdoors. Lawn bowling. Instead of dimly lit bowling alleys, you get to enjoy lawn bowling out in the sun. All you need is a giant lawn bowling set to get started. In addition to being easy to set up, lawn bowling helps your family bond over a competitive and fun game. The Flying Disc Game Set. This game is an upgraded version of throwing an old school frisbee. It comes with blue stands and black discs. You and your family can enjoy balancing various items on the sturdy stands. You don't have to worry about the younger kids reaching the stands because they are adjustable. The game takes about 3 minutes to set up. Yard Pong. This is the family-friendly version of Cup Pong. The game is quite easy and inexpensive to set up. All you need are sturdy buckets and balls. Your family can enjoy throwing the balls in the buckets for points, and loved ones of all ages can certainly enjoy this game. It can be particularly fun if the buckets have some water for the splash effect. Wham Racketball. If you have a fenced yard, you might enjoy some Wham Racketball. This game is for improving hand-eye coordination in children. It is also physically engaging, which keeps the whole family in shape. Make sure the ball is sturdy enough for consistent gameplay. Please note that the game is suitable for children over 6 years old. Additionally, an adult should be present to ensure nobody gets hurt. Family basketball. If you have a big backyard, you can buy a basketball set and install it in your backyard. The whole family can enjoy throwing hoops in the fresh air, and this model featured on this list is adjustable, which means toddlers can also enjoy the game. Thanks for watching.